Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to discuss how the cutting-edge technology of failure prediction machine learning can revolutionize your maintenance and operations teams. You'll learn how the combination of artificial intelligence and maintenance can help you monitor your critical assets around the clock and take swift action when anomalies occur. We'll also delve into the advantages of machine learning over human monitoring and how it can help you save costs and increase efficiency. So let's dive into this fascinating world where tech meets maintenance. Welcome to the exciting world of failure prediction machine learning. This is where artificial intelligence meets the maintenance arena, giving you the power to monitor your critical assets around the clock. The moment something seems out of the ordinary, your monitoring equipment can automatically communicate with a centralized computer system, allowing you to take action before or immediately after failures occur. Let's talk about maintenance. Most companies operate somewhere between 100% reactive maintenance and 100% predictive maintenance. Usually, facilities have elements of both reactive and predictive maintenance, as well as some preventive maintenance strategy. But here's the key point. The closer a business can move toward predictive maintenance, the better. And guess what? Using machine learning effectively will help move your organization in that direction, leading to better performance and lower costs. Now, in this age of artificial intelligence, it's crucial to understand what machines can do better than humans and what humans can do better than machines. Both are vital to maintaining a successful company if strengths are understood and employed. Machine monitoring can be done constantly, while human technicians can only monitor assets periodically. Let's dive into the advantages of machine learning over human monitoring. First up, real-time alerts. Equipment like sensors can monitor constantly, providing real-time alerts as soon as a potential problem arises. For instance, technicians can specify acceptable ranges, and machines can send an alert as soon as an asset falls out of that range. If a person manually checks ranges, even daily, you could have a 24-hour lag time before the problem is detected. Next, predictive repairs. At a more advanced level, machine learning can use past data to generate conclusions. It may be able to calculate the likelihood that errors will result in a full malfunction or failure. Management can then use this analysis to perform predictive maintenance tasks before the failure occurs. Then we have malfunction sensing. In some cases, it may be safer and less damaging if a process or machine stops before a malfunction occurs. Many machines will cut the power before an engine overheats, causing much more damage. You can program specific assets to pull the plug as soon as a malfunction happens. And finally, less data sifting. Machines can sift through thousands of data points every second, making conclusions based on human direction and programming. Humans simply cannot process data at the same speed. Now let's explore 6 ways machine learning improves systems. Firstly, lower costs. Employing sensors and artificial intelligence can be much less expensive than relying on engineers or technicians to perform the same tasks. Secondly, quicker repairs. Because machine learning provides around-the-clock monitoring, you'll be alerted to needed repairs immediately. Trained maintenance technicians can be sent to address the potential problem or malfunction right away, keeping things running. Thirdly, safer systems. Sensors and machine learning can spot problems early and be programmed to shut down before something catastrophic happens. This increases safety for all your employees, especially when working around potentially dangerous processes or equipment. Fourthly, less downtime. The fact that sensors and machine learning can let you know when potential problems might occur leads to less downtime. Significant failures can easily halt a production line, possibly for hours at a time. If you discover your line is at risk due to a machine learning alert, you can order needed parts and schedule predictive maintenance tasks at convenient times. Fifthly, easier scalability. Machine learning leads to everything running more smoothly. As your company grows, you'll be able to scale production and expansion more easily and effectively. If you approach a maximum capacity, your machine learning will be able to warn you before you overload your system. And finally, higher level work for employees. Although there is a fear of machines taking human jobs, remember that machines are best at tedious tasks. This should free up technicians and engineers to do more challenging and rewarding tasks. Be sure to invest some of your AI cost savings in helping your employees grow in other knowledge and skills. So how does machine learning work in predictive maintenance? Initially, data is collected from sensors, and when performance falls out of range, alerts are sent. Longer term, however, machine learning can process ongoing performance and provide data about frequency of threats and potential consequences. First, you'll collect data from sensors. Use a wide variety of sensors on your critical equipment to collect data. Sensors can monitor temperature, vibration, water leakage or levels, mileage or usage data, pressure, and many other performance items. Next, you'll extract standout anomalies. Specify within your system the acceptable ranges of the factors you're monitoring. If anomalies arise, program your machine to send necessary alerts. Particular anomalies may include pressure peaks, temperature peaks, or vibration peaks. Then, you'll analyze anomalies to detect threats. The machine learning tools can be programmed to analyze potential threats. When a certain level is reached or exceeded, an immediate alert can be sent. However, machine learning can also look at the history of anomalies for a particular asset to determine larger failure threats. Following this, you'll report threats in your CMMS, your computerized maintenance management system. Once threats are detected, sensors and machine learning equipment can send the data to your CMMS. At that point, your CMMS can initiate purchase orders if parts are needed or work orders to address the threat. And finally, your machine system learns. After you've generated some historic data, your machine learning system can consider these data points to draw some conclusions. For example, it can suggest potential threats or report on the frequency of anomalies on a particular piece of equipment. Using this data, you can make more methodical business decisions. To wrap up, machine learning is an excellent way to better monitor the performance of your critical assets. Effective, affordable sensor technology provides 24/7 monitoring, and alerts can be sent to your CMMS for immediate action. Over time, you can accumulate data that can help your AI learn more about your assets and report potential threats. These reports can be the foundation for more effective, smarter business decisions. Thank you for watching. Today, we've explored how failure prediction machine learning can revolutionize your maintenance and operations teams, and how it can save costs and increase efficiency. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, the future of maintenance is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence.